We have the gorgeous Koel Mollik here with us.
Thank you so much.
And we are here having a beautiful day out with the team of Mithun Mashi.
Yes.
The third installment is going to come out real soon. But before that, since it's the end of November, tell us, how do you feel about winters? And what is your relationship with winters?
I love winters. Everything about winters I love, because we don't sweat as much, and we kind of, winter is all about having those oranges and going out for picnics, being with it's about holidays and Christmas, and there's this very small thing that I always keep going back to, that I remember that winter time would be about Santa Claus, and Santa Claus is somebody who would always grant all your wishes. He's one person who never he would just come with a lot of chocolates and candies. And at that point of time, I was absolutely convinced that there is one Santa Claus. So later on, as I kind of grew older, I knew my Santa is my father. Baba is my Santa, who would always grant all my wishes.
Yeah.
So that is one thing. But
is he still your Santa?
He is.
Yeah.
He is my Santa. Yes, absolutely. So I would be like, the same thing with Kabir and Kavya is too small to understand anything now, because she still hasn't turned one. About Kabir, there's this thing about on the 24th, I would be putting things under the pillow, all the guilt stuff, and then under the pillow, and I would be like, you have to be a good boy, then only you receive presents from Santa. The primary and the most important thing is to be a good person, and then you get all of it.
Yeah. So, but like, if you're not working on a winter evening, what is Koel doing?
If I'm not working on a winter evening, I would be hanging out with my friends and my close ones, either my family or close friends and all of that, and have a nice chit chat. I'm not one of those people going out and partying so much, but then maybe at home I would be with my close ones and having a nice chat. Yeah.
So Mithun Mashi is the third installment.
Yes, I'm super excited about Mithun Ekti Kuni Shondhane, which is going to release this winter, and
on 25th.
Yes, and we are very excited about it, as the entire team is a gorgeous team that we have this time. And obviously the captain of the ship is none other than the Aringamshi, and it was great working with him as always. So this time, because it's a murder mystery that we all know about, I mean, of course, Megher Pore Megh is the name of the novel from where we've kind of taken the story, and the entire the script has been written.
How is the audience going to see Mithun Mashi in a different light this time?
Mithun I think, she's very strong-willed. She's very determined. She's very intuitive. She's like this chameleon who would be changing colors and places that she would be going to for taking information. She can just read people's minds and eyes and everything, and she would just kind of change her own color. So that is the most interesting part about Mithun for me. And this time also, the case is way more complicating, way more complex, and there can't be any fun without mystery. So we have a lot of mystery in this, so it's way more intriguing and fascinating.
Finally, 2025 is almost coming to an end. How do you feel about it, to the transition to 2026?
I just I pray for everybody's well-being, happiness, health. That is something I have. I mean, in my prayers, it's always there that the next year should be carrying some beautiful news, and everyone should be happy in their own spaces, and they can, I pray that people can also be happy and can make their own ones happy, and so that is something which is there, and basically that it's just about health, happiness, and well-being of everybody around me.
Love that. Thank you so much, Koel.
Thank you very much. It was lovely having a chat. Thank you. See you.